hit the slap. Smack. Yeah.
I can't help but live in the moment.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm actually gonna head over to Westside to see my best friend Ghislaine, get a visit my new nephew. I haven't seen her for like more than 2 months now since she gave birth. So yeah, like I really miss her. I even got the whooping cough shot just so I can hold the little nephew. You know, I like to take every precautions because I work in a shopping center. Yeah, just trying to be safe. But yeah, I'm really super excited. We're gonna have a cheese platter, and then tonight I'm actually gonna go to my friend Kimmy's house, one of my work close friend. We basically having a dinner at her new house that she moved into. So yeah, can't wait we're gonna eat Indian, and yeah, excited. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and a thumbs up. As I said, I'm trying to post every Wednesday. I'll try and post as much as I can on the Wednesday. If not, it'll be like a day late. But yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated, trying to keep it consistent. And yeah, let me know if you want to watch anything or you're interested about anything. I'm thinking of doing more coffee, so yeah, look out for those ones. So I got this. I just went to Waverley Gardens to get some sushi for my girl. She said don't worry, but there's this new oyster bar. It's got amazing sushi, and because she hasn't eaten sushi in so long, I'm gonna spoil her. So I'll let you have a look. Look at this. It looks amazing. Wow. So excited. So now I'm actually gonna go and drive to her house. And yeah, get to see her. Yay!
He's like mid-nap.
Like he's that.
I'll let you hold him.
So I forgot to record the sushi. The sushi was amazing. You can see just making a cheese platter.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run.
Hello!
Hey.
Welcome!
Welcome to Kimmy's house.
Yay!
Tonight we're gonna be eating curry.
Yes. Hello, Martin.
Hey, Rami.
How are you?
Good.
Hey, you gonna try Indian tea?
Yes, because I couldn't get it last time, right?
Yeah.
Wait, did I?
No.
Oh, no, I had your smoothie.
Yeah. We're gonna start soon. Let Romi cut the onion. Onion will give us water and ice.
Yeah.
What are we eating? Chicken curry and
I don't know.
paneer, kadai paneer.
You say it.
Okay,
Yeah.
pronounce it.
What?
Kadai paneer.
Kadai paneer?
Yeah.
Kadai pani? Did I get it?
Okay, so the kadai means this utensil. This utensil
Kadai.
means kadai.
Ah.
So it's just a name.
Most of the curries they named after the utensil they made in.
Say what?
So you know how you make the on like a
So butter
make
chicken.
a crepe,
Yeah.
right? That's called tawa paneer. If you make it on tawa like that, so it's in our language. That's like in old times they just gave the name. That's smart.
They say tandoori chicken.
Yeah.
That's
Tandoori is the big pot.
Oh, so that's what they make.
Oh, that makes sense.
So what happens with butter chicken then? Do you make chicken on butter?
Yeah, it's with
Just
cream.
stupid joke. Alright.
Butter.
Butter gravy.
Indian tea?
Chai.
Chai.
Yeah.
Oh.
Masala chai.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like
Masala
ginger.
chai.
I
Oh.
put ginger.
That's good.
So these all.
Oh, you won't like it.
Oh, okay, I don't like ginger.
Stuff
So.
can go in the tea.
So this stuff.
But we just because she don't like most of the
Cloves,
stuff.
elaichi.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that makes sense.
What's that?
I don't know.
Juan, I don't know.
It's
Yeah,
Punjabi now.
yeah, and then ginger.
Oh, so better than the actual chai. You don't
It's
drink.
good in winters actually. That's why ginger tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, did you take your what? I'm just drinking froth right now. Reminds me of the that dessert with the ginger in it. My one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like that to me.
Mm.
But not
Liquid
as,
version.
but not as sweet though, obviously, because that was sugar.
Martin don't eat ginger,
I don't
He
know.
doesn't like it.
so I will not show him my recipe.
In every curry that goes in.
Yeah, like
That's nice.
when I eat like a ginger itself,
Oh, yeah, that's
What is my favorite? And then that ginger garlic paste.
It's a bit like you look at smile for so long.
So that the chef is happy. Last time I forgot to buy this. Remember last
Under your spotlight. Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself that I don't wanna let you know. Is this all we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, be alone.
How did you? Wait, turn, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Turn the other way. Yeah.
why, yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. Just stick. Maybe put a little bit more on the side. Oh, that's in the right.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
Now it's equal.
Now you do this thing.
Just try that.
So you leave it.
Like that?
You see. Yeah, it's going wrong. Yeah, just do it like that. Leave. Yeah, one hand. Then go
And smack.
I hit the slap. Smack, smack. Yeah.
And then it's really smooth ready, right?
Yeah.
And then you push it
Over there.
for a little bit,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
And then you make it like this.
Yeah, you do it first.
Oh.
Like yeah, and then.
That's good in
So
the.
this thing is.
Kimmy's like no. Kimmy's like no.
No, no, I mean it's good for learners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And is that enough? Over there.
It's
No, right?
And the main thing is the round thing you make at the start.
Just fix that up this way. And then put it on the other side. Okay, it's nice and thin.
Don't make too thin.
We try. Because I did too small, right? Oh, the cheat way.
Easy, yeah.
It already has. Wait, I didn't squish it. I didn't go around. That's why.
Smack.
It should be sharp. Because you know how when I was kid,
Yeah.
I used to do this.
Oh.
When I learned,
So you learned already? It's stuck in my hand already.
Martin will eat this. Love Roti. First love Roti.
Shine under your spotlight.
Maybe Roti.
Oh, so you make the ends thinner, and then the inside is higher, right?
This
Or one side.
Yeah.
Ah. Because I was doing it right in the middle, that's why.
Maybe that's why, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain, but yeah.
Yeah.
Then you can.
Took my heart and you rode off. Was a feeling never enough.
Yeah. Yeah. He was telling you round, round, round. Now you know.
Yeah. You watched how many times I did it?
This way. You know what? Easy. If you don't know, I will tell you in a
Like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
He was just like, make it bigger.
Yeah. And then thinner drum. Like a parantha. Yes. Fine. I will tell you the secret. You know how, because I am now used to of this. If you are not used to, I will tell you the secret. Just do one side and then the other side. How like when we were kids, when we used to make.
You can just feel alone.
So one side only like towards up.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
Do this and then the other side.
Yeah, so it's like a square,
Yeah.
but it's good circle already.
Okay, here it's thin, thin,
Yeah.
thin, thin. Here it's a
Thick.
little bit thick. So I just do this.
Ah, so then you shape it after.
Yeah. This is easy.
Tell myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is
So
this
this has cheese, capsicum, some onion,
looking for some
made by Kimmy.
in the sun?
This one is chicken, made by Rami. Some rice with turmeric, some yogurt, and some cucumber. Ready to eat? Yum yum yum. Chef Kimmy.
Hello.
Hey, you know my habit, you know? No, what do you mean? What habit?
Hello.